ControlVideo is a new way to edit videos based on written instructions, making the video more faithful and consistent with the text while maintaining the original video structure. It achieves this by combining advanced techniques. ControlVideo improves upon previous methods in terms of accuracy and realism. It offers a lot of flexibility in how much of the original video information to use. Large language models sometimes have trouble remembering things and thinking through multiple steps. A new method lets these models take notes on their own, helping them remember better and solve more complex problems. It is challenging to compare the performance of multiple models to one another. Traditional automated measures aren't robust and human evaluation isn't scalable. Recently, people have been turning to GPT-4 as a proxy for human preference. After all, it was trained with RLHF. However, doing this naively results in miscalibration. This work proposes a few simple fixes that aligns GPT-4 evaluations more closely with those of humans. Gorilla, a refined model based on large language models, LLMs, significantly outperforms existing models like GPT-4 in writing API calls. It helps language models use tools more effectively. Combined with a document retriever, Gorilla adjusts well to updated documents, minimizes inaccurate creations, and maintains the reliability of outputs, as demonstrated using a new comprehensive dataset called API Bench. ProlificDreamer is a new method for improving text to 3D generation. It solves problems like oversaturation and low diversity found in the earlier score distillation sampling (SDS) approach by treating the 3D parameter as a random variable. This variational score distillation (VSD) framework can produce higher quality and more diverse results, allowing the creation of highly detailed and photorealistic 3D images from text, including complex effects such as smoke and drops. Corporate VC investors, including Salesforce and Workday, are increasingly investing in AI startups. A letter by StabilityAI to the Senate in which they advocate for the promotion of open-source AI. Shared Links is a new feature in ChatGPT that allows users to generate a unique URL for each conversation. Links can be shared with friends, colleagues, and collaborators. Shared links offer a new way for users to share their ChatGPT conversations, replacing the old and burdensome method of sharing screenshots. Threestudio is a unified framework for 3D content creation from text prompts, single images, and few-shot images, by lifting 2D text to image generation models. The AI Image Generator is a new digital art tool that allows you to create unique images using your words. All you have to do is to type a text in the search bar, and you'll have stunning images in one of the available art styles. CapeChat automatically encrypts your documents and redacts any sensitive data. It's powered by the ChatGPT API, so you get the best language model while preserving your privacy. A statement from leading AI researchers imploring society to treat the risk of extinction from AI similarly to pandemic and nuclear war. MIT researchers have proposed a novel, society of minds, approach to address AI hallucinations, where large language models like OpenAI's GPT-4 generate false or inaccurate information. The method involves using multiple chatbots to provide different responses to the same question, with the bots debating until they reach a consensus. Despite the creativity of such solutions, it's clear that hallucinations remain a significant challenge in AI technology. Hallucinations impact the reliability of AI-generated content and raise concerns about potential misuse in sensitive fields like medicine, law, and cybersecurity. Multimodal training of more than one data type has been gaining popularity recently. Usually, an NBSP, the model architecture requires complicated and somewhat brittle solutions. GIL is a cool new project that interleaves text tokens with image tokens to allow for truly multimodal input and output. The reported results are compelling, although there are still limitations.